Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the bake burner tube in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Now fully open the oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket. Slide out the oven racks. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws, securing the oven's bottom panel. Lift the panel up from the rear and pull forward to detach. Unthread the front and rear mounting screws, securing the bake burner tube. Disconnect the spark electrode wire, and you can fully remove the assembly. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the two screws to release the spark electrode. You're now ready to install the new bake burner tube. Align the spark electrode and secure it with the screws. Confirm that the new tube's air shutter is open the same amount as the old shutter. Reconnect the spark electrode wire. Align the orifice in the hole in the burner tube. Position the tube. Then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Reinstall the bottom panel by aligning the front edge first. Thread the screws to secure. Slide the oven racks into place. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.